Hi, Angel. Hey, CVPs. Hi, CVPs. Welcome to my channel. It's a beautiful day to be alive, and I'm right now here with Angel and little baby Hopi, and we are happy, as you can see. And today I want to talk about why you should not buy a parrot. I love you too. There's so many reasons why you should buy a parrot, because one, they are so cute. But here are the reasons why you should not buy a parrot. Okay, first of all, they are so expensive. Angel is a little lorikeet, and a little lorikeet goes between $600 and $1,000. Yeah. Well, here in the USA, I don't know how it is in other countries, but in the USA, they range between $600 and $1,000. I love you too. And he's so worth it. He's like, whatever you can. You want a kiss? Kiss. Yeah, you're a little handful. And then Hope here, he's a Catalina macaque. And Hope, I mean, he's a hybrid, and you can get hybrids between $2,000 to $3,500, somewhere around there, kind of price range. That's the reason why you should not get a bird. Oh, you see, oh, why did you bite me? He just bit me. You saw that. You punk. The reason why he bit me right here, ow, you little punk, is because he's very protective of Hope, and he wants nobody to touch Hope except him. Right? Okay. You guys go further away. So, yeah. So parrots bite. Parrots need a lot of attention. Parrots are loud. They scream. Parrots cost a lot of money just to like, what are you doing? What are you doing? Parrots cost a lot of money. Don't come close to my face. No, I don't want you close to my face. Parrots cost a lot of money just to like buy them and just to like get them. And parrots are, what are you guys? They are expensive. Point blank, they are just really expensive pet. They are exotics, and exotics are expensive. It costs so much money just to like get them, to purchase them, but then also just to keep them. Like the cages is like a lot of money. And then the toys, you buy basically toys so they can break. And then they need food. The food is so expensive because, ow! You bite me too! This little punk just bit me as well. Hey guys, stop biting me. Go play. Go play. Go play. Both of you. Go play. Go play. Go play. Yeah, no, yeah. Go play. Oh! Angel just came back. Yeah, so they break a lot of toys. They need a lot of toys. They need a lot of attention, and they bite people. They have their own minds. They can fly away. And what else are you doing? Why shouldn't people buy you? Why shouldn't people buy you? Oh, that's the reason why. He speaks back. He fights with me. He's the little one, but he's the little boss. And he gets so jealous. Like, you see, oh, is it bleeding? Oh, gosh, this bird just bit me. Ah. And now there's so many other reasons why you should get a bird. One, they're really cute. They're very animated. Oh! My Hope just came on me. Oh, that's Hopi. Hi, Hopi. Hi, Hopi. Hi. And now if Hope is on me, Angel's gonna get possessive. And they break stuff. Look at my hat. Look, look, look. You see that? He breaks my clothing. He breaks my clothing. He breaks my hat. He breaks my shirt. He puts holes on my clothing. No! 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 what, guys? Okay. You know, guys, what you need? You need a little cool down. Who wants a little cool down? Cool down time. It's cooling down. Cool down. Oh. Oh. They hate this because they're getting wet. So this is my tool to get them cool down. Oh, Hopi, you're not in full frame. Let's put you in full frame. Yeah, right there. Right there. Okay, good. Okay guys, as you can see, my birds are really spoiled little brats. They can fly, they can do whatever they want, and that's the reason why they are so animated and has huge of personality. Like Angel has this whole big package. He's just this little bird, and he's just like the only small bird I have, and he's the boss. He and Hope, they gang up against Faith and Destiny. They are so smart, and size doesn't matter. It's the confidence that matter, and this little guy has so much confidence. Little guy has so much confidence. He is just a little brat. He does everything what he wants to do, and like right now he's just like having fun. Like I don't know what he's doing, but he's just a little happy baby. Oh, and off he goes. He comes back. Oh, there he is. So, oh, there we are again. Hi, Angel. So, yeah, animals are expensive, but birds are specifically, ow, expensive. Ah! And, hi, Angel. Go over there. So, yeah, they are very expensive, and they need a lot of care. They scream, they yell, they shout if they don't get any attention. They are not really happy if you don't play with them. They bite you, and you can't go on vacation. That's the huge other point. Like I didn't have a vacation since 2 years now. The only time I go on vacation is if we go on a road trip, and then I take them all with me. If I go on vacation by don't bite it. No, Hopi, stop it. If I go on vacation with them and leave them here and have somebody else take care of them, they will be so mad about me for like 2 weeks that they won't even talk to me, and they can even like get psychological problems, and they start plucking and they start being unhappy, and you know, and that's not what I want. That's the reason why I haven't had any vacations in 2 years. I'm just working, free flying, working. I have a party bird. I have 2 party birds. Oh! Hopi, what are you doing? Then they need exercise. If you don't give them exercise, they get really bored and fat and sick. And if you have a sick bird, it's not fun. The sick bird is really expensive to like take care of. Vet bills, doctor bills, medication bills, and then you always have to like kind of be afraid that like something can happen the next morning if and they never wake up. And then there's also, if you don't want to buy a bird, Hopi, if you don't want to buy a bird, it's gone. Hopi. It was black. He's trying to take this off. It's okay, you can take off my merch. Guys, merch link is in the description and up here in the title card. Check out our merch on angelicparrots.com. Come on, baby. angelicparrots.com. Okay guys, this was the vlog for today. I'm done. Oh! Hopi! Did you just break that? No! No! I move those birds. That's the reason why you should not get any parrots! Ah! You see? No, attack. Attack. Alright guys, that's it. Bye. Oh, I'm bleeding right now. He bit me here, he bit me here, and he bit me right here. Right there. He bit me today 3 times. Bad boy. Bad parrot. Very bad boy. Bad. You should get married. Okay guys, you have to decide. I'm done for today. This was the vlog. Hope you enjoy it. Like, subscribe, comment below, hit the notification button, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye. Sis, bye. Lucky. Destiny. Right down to the motherboard. Destiny. Okay, I have to lock him in. Did you do this? Come here. Destiny, did you break my car key? My $400 car key? My VOP key?